The Transition Podcast with Dr. Erica Jones, MD.
All right, y'all, come with me to Goodwill Hawaii. They're really big on Halloween here. Today's Monday, so put this aside because I wanted it, and I didn't start vlogging until after I found my hat. But I came in here with a mission. I have a couple things I want to grab for the beach that I did not pack the beach hat. So I already found one thing that I had on my list. The next thing I'm looking for is like a white beach shirt. The store is huge. As you know, in Goodwill, sometimes you find brand new stuff. Brand new. Brand new. Looking for a shirt that I can turn into a beach shirt. This might be it. Maybe if I cut the arms out, it might be long enough. I really want an all white one though. Again, they are really big on Halloween. Store is huge. I'm coming for swimwear. I'm looking for a beach dress. This is cute though. Store is huge, y'all. It's like in a warehouse district area. Maybe I'll find me a little beach dress. How big the store is. Just have to look.